preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means alkanes, alkenes, and aromatic hydrocarbons also benzene. Okay. First one will go for alkanes. Alkanes using halogenation. Halogenation means addition of halogen to alkenes or substitution of halogens. Okay. First one, halogenation. Halogenation of chlorination, bromination, and iodization. The first one, the chlorination, methane is react with chlorine in UV light or sunlight, or you will go for higher temperature. Methane is react with chlorine if the 550 to 670 degrees Celsius higher temperature to form methyl chloride. Again you methyl chloride, you add again 1 more molecules of chlorine in presence of sunlight. Okay, here hydrochloric acid. Okay, here also hydrochloric acid, substitution reaction to form methylene chloride. Methylene chloride, again it is react with chlorination in presence of sunlight or UV light to form chloroform CH, Cl3 chloroform, and last one, if again it is react with chlorination in presence of sunlight to form carbon tetrachloride. This is a halogenation. Halogenation means chlorination reaction is going on in presence of sunlight. That is a free radical substitution reaction. Okay, this is one of the method. If you go for higher number of alkanes, means suppose here 3 carbons, CS3, CH2, CS3. Okay, propane is react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, propane at 298 Kelvin to form isomerism. Okay, isomerism means you will get here primary haloalkanes. This is a N-propyl chloride and secondary haloalkanes means isopropyl chloride. This is a N-propyl chloride and this one is isopropyl chloride. We will get a mixture of isomerism because secondary is more stable than primary carbocation or free radical. Secondary free radical is more stable than primary free radical. Here we are getting here the 55% of yield. You will get. Secondary is more. This one is primary is 45%. You will get a mixture of isomerism. Okay. You take this is a propane. Okay, propane. Or you take other higher carbons. CS3, CH2, CH3. What is this one? Butane. Okay, normal butane. Normal butane is react with chlorine in presence of sunlight. At 298 Kelvin. Here also you are getting a isomers. And one is butyl chloride and another one is secondary butyl chloride. Here also two isomers. First one you are getting here percentage is 72%. 2 percentage, and here the percentage is 28 percentage. Okay, this is secondary is more stable, free radical is more stable than primary, reactivity also similar. This is, it is having a normal butyl chloride, this one is iso secondary butyl chloride, okay. This is the free radical reaction of halogenation to alkane, methane, propane and butane. Okay. Here reactivity of free radicals reaction, reactivity, which one is more reactive? Tertiary is more reactive than secondary, is more reactive than primary. Okay. And allylic also, allylic free radical substitution reaction is more reactive than alkyl. Okay. Allylic means it is a reactivity of carbon compound. Here reactivity means here allyl is more reactive than tertiary. Tertiary carbon free radical is more reactive than secondary. Secondary is more reactive than primary. This is the reactivity of hydrocarbons with halogens, means you are getting allylic halide is more formed than tertiary, tertiary is more than secondary, secondary is more than primary. This is the preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons like alkanes. Okay. If you go for from second one, from alkenes also. From alkenes, when propene CH2. What is this one? Propene. Propene is react with same chlorine. Propane is react with chlorine. Propene is react with chlorine. Okay, in presence of sunlight or 773 Kelvin, higher temperature, 773 Kelvin, to form this one is a CS3. Here one hydrogen is there, hydrogen and chlorine is eliminated, CH2Cl, next CH double bond CH2. Okay, this is halogen is attached, but it is called as allyl chloride plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is the simple reaction. Next you will go for, you can prepare also thionyl chloride. You can prepare thionyl chloride. Same I am writing here, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH3. What is this one? Propene. When propene, and here also propene. One propene. Propene is react with thionyl chloride. Carefully, is a Darjan process is different. This is a free radical reaction. Thionyl chloride in at 475 Kelvin or in presence of traces quantity of peroxide, a small quantity of peroxide, which undergoes free radical substitution reaction to form CH2 here. CH2, one Cl is attached to here, CH2Cl plus sulfur dioxide plus HCl. Okay, this is this one also we can prepare propene and propene. When the propene is react with, this is the propene, both it is having a propene. Propene is react with chlorine or thionyl chloride, you will get a allylic halide or allyl chloride. We can prepare another one also when the propenes is react with N-bromosuccinamide. This is very, very important. In entrance examination they will ask, when the propenes Propenes is react with N-bromosuccinamide. N-bromosuccinamide means CH2, CH2, CO, CO, bromosuccinamide. This is also generate the free radical, bromine free radical. When it will generate the free radicals to form allylic halide, CH2 Br, succinamide, N-bromosuccinamide, allylic bromide. Okay, this is you will get a allylic bromide and released it is having a succinamide, NH product is formed. This is the one of the product we can prepare from alkene, that is a free radical substitution reaction. Okay, we can prepare alkanes and alkenes. It is a halogenation. Halogenation means it is having a chlorination and bromination. Iodization is very difficult. It will reversible reaction takes place. In suppose methyl iodide is coming, means it is having a reversible, is iodine is released. That's why iodo reaction is very difficult to prepare. Chlorination and bromination we can prepare easily. Okay, this is the first preparation of haloalkanes. Next we will go for preparation of alkyl halides or haloalkanes from alkene according to Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. We will go for one by one. Next we will go for preparation of haloalkanes from alkenes according to Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, general formula of alkenes. This is alkenes. Okay, alkenes is react with hydrogen halide or halic acid to form alkyl halide or CH(X)CH3. Okay, in presence of peroxide, here absence of peroxide to form primary haloalkanes and secondary haloalkanes. Listen here. This is the addition reaction takes place when hydrogen halide, here the positive part and negative part. Here the negative part or positive part. Here also asymmetrical or unsymmetrical alkenes which undergoes only Markovnikov rule. Suppose here symmetric compounds means here symmetric alkenes is react with hydrogen halide. Halogens and hydrogen is attached to both carbons. Symmetric carbons means you will get a alkyl halide. It does not apply to Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule to form here one hydrogen. Hydrogen is attached to any carbon atoms, any carbons, here CH3, single bond, CH2X, primary haloalkanes. If it is a symmetrical alkenes. In Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule, previous year we are discussed in hydrocarbons, alkenes is react with addition of hydrogen halide. Here positive part of the atoms is attached to maximum hydrogen present in carbon-carbon double bond. Means here maximum hydrogen, here CH and CH. Hydrogen is attached to here means CH3 and negative part is attached to minimum hydrogen bond. Here R CH3, RCHX CH3. This is according to according to Markovnikov rule. According to Markovnikov rule. Suppose in case we are using when alkenes is react with hydrogen halide in presence of peroxide, benzoyl peroxide, acetic peroxide, any peroxide we are using, which undergoes free radical reaction, peroxide effect, to form primary haloalkanes. Primary means here in presence of peroxide, here positive part of the atoms is attached to minimum hydrogen present in carbon-carbon double bond. Here or CH is here CH2, next single bond CH2X. This is according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule. This is one of the addition of this is the name is a alkanes, general formula of alkenes. Okay, this is a secondary monoalkanes. This is a secondary haloalkanes, and this is a primary haloalkane. You take an examples. Okay, examples. Propene is a asymmetric carbons. Propene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. The name is propene. When the propene is react with hydrogen bromide or hydrobromic acid, according to Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, Markovnikov rule means is a positive part is attached to here, CH3, CH, Br, CH3. Anti-Markovnikov rule, it is only we are applied to hydrogen bromide. If the Markovnikov rule, you can add is a hydroiodic acid, hydrobromic acid, hydrochloric acid. But in anti-Markovnikov rule is only the hydrobromic acid. Here in presence of peroxide, here absence of peroxide, to form primary haloalkanes here CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Means the name is here name is 2-bromopropane, here 1-bromopropane. Okay, this is a very, very important in entrance as well as board examination. This is addition reaction takes place. Okay, in asymmetric alkenes is there means it is applied to Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, if anti-Markovnikov rule means we have to use peroxide. Okay, this is also peroxide effect. Okay, next we will go for preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. Next we will go for preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. Okay, alcohol general formula ROH. Okay, alcohols with alic acid or hydrogen halide in presence of catalyst, to form alkyl halide. Okay, to form alkyl halide. This is a addition of water molecules to form alkyl halide. Okay, this is the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. Okay, if we go for examples, primary alcohols CH3, CH2, CH2OH, This is propanol. You take it is having a methanol and ethanol. Ethanol is react with methanol or ethanol is react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid in presence of zinc chloride catalyst. The combination of concentrated hydrochloric acid and zinc chloride is called Lucas reagent. It is used in distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, that is secondary. Here hydrochloric acid in presence of catalyst like zinc chloride to form propyl chloride. This is a propyl chloride. This is the easy reaction is going. CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Okay. The name is propanol or propyl alcohol is converted to propyl chloride. Okay. You take here methanol. Methanol is react with hydrochloric acid to form methyl chloride. Ethanol is react with hydrochloric acid to form ethyl chloride. Methyl chloride and ethyl chloride, you take an examples. Why I am showing here propanol means the propanol and isopropanol. Propanol is primary alcohol and isopropanol, suppose here isopropanol CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Okay. Isopropanol is react with hydrochloric acid. Isopropanol is react with hydrochloric acid in presence of zinc chloride, to form here also same elimination of water. The chlorine is attached to secondary carbons CH3, CH, CH3. Okay. This is a isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Okay. This one is isopropanol. Okay. Secondary alcohols to form secondary haloalkanes. Where alcohols is functional group is there, that's one it is having a substitution reaction. Okay. This is one of the preparation of haloalkanes. It is secondary haloalkanes. This is a primary haloalkanes. You take it is having a tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol means CH3, CH3, CH3. Tertiary butyl alcohol is react with hydrochloric acid in presence of catalyst. It is having a zinc chloride catalyst at room temperature, normal room temperature, to form tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, to form. This is a tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride from tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl or butanol. Tertiary butanol or butyl alcohol. Listen here, the catalyst, what is the role of catalyst? When the catalyst are Lewis acids, catalyst or Lewis acid, it is a bond, coordinate bond with oxygen. When the coordinate bond means it is a carbon and oxygen bond is weak. When the carbon and oxygen bond is weak means the bond is cleave easily. When the bond is cleave easily means it is a chlorine is attached to primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon. This is it is having a primary haloalkanes. This is it is having a secondary haloalkanes. This is it is having a tertiary haloalkanes. Which one is more reactive? Which one is more reactive means it is a reactivity of alcohols. Okay, reactivity of alcohols means here tertiary alcohols is more reactive than secondary alcohols. secondary alcohols is more reactive than primary alcohols. Okay, this is a important reactivity of alcohols, means tertiary is more reactive than secondary, secondary alcohol is more reactive than primary alcohol. And coming to the reactivity of HX means reactivity of HX, this is also important. When the reactivity of HX means iodic acid, hydrobromic acid, hydrochloric acid, okay, it is reactivity, okay, reactivity means HX is reactivity. Which one more reactive? Which one? If the atomic size is increases means it is a hydroiodic acid. Hydroiodic acid is more reactive than hydrobromic acid. Hydrobromic acid is more reactive than hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is the reactivity of hydrohalic acid. Reactivity of hydrohalic acid. The bond is cleavage is a hydrogen and iodide. Going downwards means atomic size is increases. Iodide is atomic size is increases. When the atomic size is increases means it is a bond cleavage. Is hydroiodic bond is cleavage is easily. Okay, that's why hydroiodic acid is more reactive than hydrobromic acid. Hydrobromic acid is more reactive than hydrochloric acid. When these hydrohalic acid is react with alcohol, tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary. Secondary alcohol is more reactive than primary alcohol. This is the reactivity of alcohols. Okay, in case here hydrobromic acid, hydrochloric acid. Coming to here hydroiodic acid. Now last we will go for hydroiodic acid. If hydroiodic acid means hydrobromic acid means, suppose when alcohols is react with hydrobromic acid, coming to here hydrobromic acid. Hydrobromic acid means, listen here, okay. Hydrobromic acid means here CH3 CH2OH. Okay, CH3CH2OH means ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is react with hydrobromic acid. Hydrobromic acid. In presence of acid, the acid name is H2SO4. Any acid, here you are using a sulfuric acid. Here you are using it is hydrochloric acid. There it is having a sulfuric acid. Is a catalyst is zinc chloride, catalyst is sulfuric acid. When it is hydrobromic acid, to form CH3 CH2Br plus water. Okay, here also elimination of water, here also elimination of water, here also all product is elimination of water, byproduct is a water. Here ethyl alcohol is react with hydrobromic acid. You take here ethyl alcohol means C2H5OH, C2H5OH, or you take it is having a potassium bromide in presence of sulfuric acid H2SO4. H2SO4 to form C2H5Br. C2H5Br. Okay, listen here. C2H5Br. And another product is, the product is for byproduct KHSO4, potassium hydrogen sulfate, and one hydrogen and OH is release water molecules. Okay, this is the bromination. This is the chlorination. This one is bromination. Okay, in presence of hydrobromic acid. Next we will go for hydroiodic acid. It is a react with hydroiodic acid. You take alcohols, ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2OH. This is ethanol. This is also ethanol, and ethanol is converted to ethyl bromide. Here ethyl chloride. bromide. Ethanol is react with hydroiodic acid, okay, in presence of phosphoric acid, H3PO4, in presence of phosphoric acid. To form here also the product is formed ethyl iodide, CH3, CH2I, ethyl iodide, and the byproduct is water. You take here also potassium bromide and sulfuric acid. Here also you can prepare ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is react with potassium iodide, potassium bromide and potassium iodide in presence of phosphoric acid. In presence of phosphoric acid, listen here, C2H5I, product is C2H5I, means here ethanol is converted to ethyl iodide, plus, listen here, KH2PO4, 1 molecules of water, OH plus H, it is releasing 1 molecules of water, and what is remaining? H2, KH2PO4, potassium hydrogen phosphate, and you will get a product, ethyl iodide, alkyl iodide, ethyl bromide, and ethyl chloride. Okay, these are all it is having a preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols using hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. Okay, these are the reactivity of hydrohalic acid, reactivity of alcohol. These are all it is important. Next we will go for preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol using PCl5, PCl3 and thionyl chloride. Next we will go for preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols using phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride or sulfonyl chloride. Okay, this will go for one by one. Okay, the first one will go for it is react with alcohol is react with phosphorus pentachloride, react with phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, general formula of alcohol, this is alcohol. Okay, alcohol is react with phosphorus pentachloride to form alkyl halide, alkyl chloride and phosphorus oxychloride and released hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is the product. This is alcohol. This is alcohol. This is alkyl halide. You take any primary or secondary or tertiary alkyl halide, you will get the same product. You take examples of here, and one of the technique. Okay, here general formula of alcohol, R O H, alcohol. Okay, is react with phosphorus pentachloride, listen here, Cl. Okay, and you will get a 3 product, RCl POCl3, POCl3 and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. You take instead of R CS3OH. CS3OH. CS3OH means CS3Cl. CS3OH is react with phosphorus pentachloride, okay, to form CS3Cl, CS3Cl plus phosphorus oxychloride plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, you take ethanol. Ethanol means C2H5OH. Ethanol is react with phosphorus pentachloride to form C2H5Cl, C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl, phosphorus oxychloride. Here C2H5Cl, CS3, you take any hydrocarbons or CS3OH, C2H5OH, you will get a byproduct. Okay, this is the first one. The name is methanol. Methanol is converted to methyl chloride, and ethanol, when ethanol is converted to ethyl chloride. You take isopropanol. Isopropanol means you will get a isopropyl chloride. Tertiary butanol, you will get tertiary butyl chloride. This is the first one, react with phosphorus pentachloride. Next we will go for react with phosphorus trichloride. The third one, it is a react with phosphorus trichloride or trihalide. You take it is having a phosphorus tribromide, phosphorus triiodide, all it is having a same. Suppose here the general formula of alkyl alcohol, general formula, I have to take 3 molecules of alcohol, ROH, 3 molecules of alcohols is react with phosphorus trichloride, 3 molecules of alkyl group, 3 molecules of chloride, 3 molecules of alkyl chloride, 3 molecules of alkyl chloride plus here 3 hydrogen, 3 oxygen, 3 hydrogen, 3 oxygen and 1 phosphorus, H3PO3. This is a phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. Okay, this is the alkyl halide. This one also we can prepare alkyl chloride from phosphorus trichloride. Okay, now this one also you can here okay. Here alcohols, how many molecules of alcohols here? R OH, ROH. We are using a 3 molecules of alcohol. 3 molecules of alcohol is react with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus chloride, phosphorus trichloride. The product is for here 3 molecules of RCl, 3 molecules of RCl plus H3PO3. This is also preparation of alkyl halide. Okay. Next we will go for the another one, examples. You take it is having examples means here you take examples. CH3OH, methyl alcohol is react with phosphorus trichloride. You have to take here 3 molecules. You should remember phosphorus trichloride means you go for carboxylic acid or alcohols. Phosphorus trichloride means you have to take the 3 molecules of alcohols or carboxylic acid. Okay, to form how many molecules is there? 3. Here are CH3, CH3, CH3. CH3, 3 molecules of methyl chloride. Here 3 molecules of methyl chloride. Okay, 3 molecules of methyl chloride plus phosphorus acid, H3PO3. You take ethanols. Ethanol means you take ethanol is converted to ethyl chloride. This is also same. Okay. Next, last one, the third properties is react with thionyl chloride. This reaction is called Dorzan process. Okay, now we will go for thionyl chloride means general formula of alcohols ROH alcohols is react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine okay, in presence of pyridine to form alkyl chloride and released sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. This is a neat reaction and you will get a pure product compared to the phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. In phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride you will get a phosphorus oxychloride and phosphorus acid, but here what will happen, when here alcohols is react with thionyl chloride, both it is having a gaseous phase, sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid is gaseous, it will go in evaporation, you will get a pure product or only the product it will form without byproduct. Okay, byproduct is almost it is a gaseous phase. Okay, you take here R means alcohols means you take examples is methanol or ethanol, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol is react with thionyl chloride in presence of sulfonyl chloride or thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to form C2H5Cl plus sulfur dioxide plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, this one also we can prepare. This reaction is called Dorzan process. You should remember, this is important, they will ask 2 marks question also, how to prepare alkyl halide by Dorzan process. Okay, when alcohols is react, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol is react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to form haloalkenes or alkyl halide. This reaction is called Dorzan process. You will go for it is having alcohols ROH, this is alcohols. Okay, tricks for alcohols. And thionyl chloride means you take it is a thionyl chloride, SOCl2, you will get a product, that is the first product, RCl and sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. This is easily you can find out. Here CH3Cl means you will get a CH3OH means CH3Cl, C2H5OH means C2H5Cl. Okay, these are all it is having a preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols by using phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride. Okay, next we will go for this halogen displacement reaction. Okay, and sometimes they will ask alcohols is react with halogen in presence of red phosphorus. Alcohols react with halogen in presence of red phosphorus means here also you will get a alkyl halide. Means here red phosphorus is react with halogens. With phosphorus means you take it is having a phosphorus. Is react with halogens to form here 4 molecules of PX3. Okay, 4 molecules of PX3 means here the phosphorus P4 is react with 6 molecules of chlorine to form 4 molecules of PCl3. Means they are given PCl3 means also you will get alkyl halide. Red phosphorus in halogens means alcohols is react with halogens in presence of red phosphorus to form haloalkanes. This is also one of the preparation of haloalkanes. Next we will go for preparation of haloalkanes, halogen exchange method. Means some of haloalkanes we cannot prepare directly. Fluoromethane we cannot directly prepare. First you have to convert the chloromethane or bromomethane. When the bromomethane is react with, it is a silver fluoride, then we are getting a fluoro. Introduction of fluoro and iodo to alkanes is very difficult. That's why we will go for ion exchange method. Okay. The first one, Finkelstein reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? Okay. General formula of compounds, it is having a Rx, X, Rx. Here X is a chloro or bromo. X is chloro or bromo. When alkyl halide is react with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, the solvent, it is having acetone, in presence of acetone, to form here alkyl iodide, Ri plus sodium halide. Okay. Exchange, here halogen is a iodide we cannot directly prepare to alkanes. Here first we can prepare, it is having a CS3 ClRBr, methyl bromide or methyl chloride, is react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Okay, in presence of acetone to form CS3I, methyl iodide plus NaCl. Or you take a, this is a methyl chloride is converted to methyl iodide. This ionic exchange reaction is called Finkelstein reaction. Okay, they will ask 1 mark question or 2 mark question. They are given equation, write the name of the reaction or give an example of Finkelstein reaction. Okay, this is the ion exchange method. You take here ethane bromide C2H5Br, ethyl bromide is react with sodium iodide. Ethyl bromide is react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone to form ethyl iodide C2H5I plus NaBr. Okay, this reaction is called Finkelstein reaction. This is a Finkelstein reaction. Next, exchange, replacement of iodide, exchange of fluoro, that is called as the name reaction Schwarz reaction. This is also important. Okay, Schwarz reaction means here introduction of fluoro exchange. Okay, here general formula means here general formula of alkyl halide is Rx. Alkyl halide is react with silver fluoride, metal fluoride, silver fluoride or cobalt fluoride or Stabaltine fluoride, silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride, SbF3, Stabaltine fluoride, antimony fluoride. These are all, it is having a metal fluoride, is react with alkyl halide. This is a replacement of here X equals to, here also same X equal to ClRBr to form here RF. RF means alkyl fluoride, and here AgX. It is a AgX. Okay, you take examples CH3Cl or Br, methyl chloride, is with fluoride, silver fluoride, okay, to form CH3F methyl fluoride and silver chloride. You take ethyl bromide to form ethyl fluoride. Any fluoride is a metal chloride or bromide is converted to metal fluoride. Sorry, alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide is converted to alkyl fluoride. That reaction is called Schwarz reaction. This is also important. They will ask 1 marks or 2 marks question. Named reaction. Okay. You suppose in case secondary alkane is there, means suppose here CH3, CCl2, CH3 is there. Listen here. CH3, CCl2 means how many chloro? 2 chloro is there. Is react with here the cobalt fluoride is there, or SbF2 is there, means here what will happen? It is having a reaction. Here CH3, here CF2, replacement of fluoro, and CH3, and byproduct is a chlorine is replacement. Okay, these reactions are called Schwarz reaction and Finkelstein reaction. You should remember, replacement of iodide using sodium iodide is called Finkelstein reaction. Replacement of fluoro, silver fluoride, AgF, COF2 or SbF3, these are all it is having a exchange of fluoro, that is called as Schwarz reaction. Okay, next we will go for preparation of aromatic compounds from benzene ring. Okay, now first one, preparation of aromatic compound from benzene ring. It is a benzene, from benzene. Okay, aromatic, these are all it is having aliphatic compounds. Next we will go for preparation of alloarenes from benzene ring. Okay, the first one from benzene means here benzene, previous year we have discussed the benzene is react with bromine in presence of ferric bromide, or is a catalyst is a iron in presence of bromine or HCl, or hydrobromic acid, iron, it is electron carrier group, to form bromobenzene and hydrobromic acid. Suppose you take is a toluene, means when the toluene is react with bromine, listen here, toluene is react with bromine to form orthobromotoluene and metabromotoluene. You can prepare here also. In case toluene is react with bromine, listen here toluene, this is a toluene is react with bromine in presence of ferric bromide catalyst to form orthobromotoluene and parabromotoluene. Okay, we will get here 2 isomers. This is a toluene. Okay, this one is orthobromotoluene and this one is parabromotoluene. Listen here carefully. Same compounds here. The toluene is react with bromine or benzene is react with bromine. It is a preparation of haloarenes. Here also haloarenes. In same time here also toluene is react with bromine or chlorine in presence of sunlight. does not undergoes free radical substitution reaction. Sorry, it does not undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, which undergoes free radical substitution reaction. You will get here, you will get CH2Cl, CH2Cl plus HCl, means, or you take it is having a bromine, bromine means here also bromine, you take bromine, this is a toluene, is react with bromine in presence of sunlight. Here also toluene, bromine is there, but here catalyst is ferric bromide. When the ferric bromide is there, it generates electrophile and nucleophile. Electrophile is the substitution reaction, that is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. But here toluene is react with bromine, does not undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, which undergoes free radical reaction. It is substituted by alkyl groups. Alkyl groups means methyl, ethyl, whatever it may be. To form, it is having a methyl bromide, CH2Br, methyl bromide, and released hydrobromic acid. This is also preparation of alloalkanes, alloarenes from hydrocarbons, Okay, this is the first method. Second method, we will go for Sandemer's reaction. Next, last preparation of haloarenes, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, means aromatic, means haloarenes, using Sandemer's reaction. Sandemer's reaction means, first we can prepare diazonium chloride. When aromatic primary amines is react with silver nitrate, sodium nitrate, aromatic primary amines is react with ice cold solution of sodium nitrite in presence of hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to form benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, this is aromatic primary amines, means this is a aniline is react with sodium nitrite in presence of hydrochloric acid, to form benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is not stable at room temperature. We have to store 0 to 5 degrees Celsius and we have to prepare freshly. Okay, when the benzene diazonium chloride, this reaction is called diazotization reaction. What is diazotization? Ice cold solution of aniline and hydrochloric acid is react with ice cold solution of sodium nitrite at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to form benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is called diazotization. When the benzene diazonium chloride is react with cuprous chloride, displacement of nitrogen to form chlorobenzene and released nitrogen gas, okay, in presence of hydrochloric acid. In case benzene diazonium chloride is react with cuprous bromide to form bromobenzene. This reaction is called Sandemer's reaction. We can write directly, when aniline is react with sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degree to form benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is react with cuprous chloride, you will get chlorobenzene. This reaction is called Sandemeier's reaction. Okay, we can prepare bromobenzene and chlorobenzene. If you want to the iodobenzene means, when iodobenzene, here iodobenzene, benzene diazonium chloride is react with potassium iodide. Here potassium chloride and displacement of nitrogen to form iodobenzene and nitrogen. It is released potassium chloride. We can prepare chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene from aromatic primary amines or benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is called Sandemeier's reaction. You have to write from aniline, okay, because the benzene diazonium chloride is, you have to prepare freshly. It does not store long time, okay, it is not stable. This is one of the name reaction is Sandemeier's reaction. Okay, we can prepare it is having a fluorobenzene. That is also we can prepare it is benzene diazonium chloride. We will discuss it in amines chapter. Okay, this is simple. It is Sandemeier's reaction. Okay, thank you.